A single hidden leak can cost you thousands of dollars in structural damage before you ever see a drop of water. But paying a monthly fee just to watch your own pipes is an absolute scam. You are already paying for the water. You shouldn't have to pay a subscription service just to tell you that it is escaping your plumbing. Most people don't realize that the smartest move you can make as a homeowner or renter is getting a water leak detector. But the market is flooded with devices that try to trap you into recurring bills. I went through the best options that actually protect your home without draining your wallet every month. If you want something that just works right out of the box with zero hassle, you have to look at the Flow by Moen Smart Leak Detector. This is the heavy hitter. It connects directly to your Wi-Fi, no extra hub required, and it monitors temperature and humidity too. It is perfect for under sinks or near your water heater. It sends alerts straight to your phone and sounds an alarm, all for free. Now, if you are trying to cover a massive area, like a full basement or a laundry room plus a kitchen, buying individual sensors gets expensive. That is where the X-Sense Wi-Fi kit comes in. It comes with a central hub and multiple sensors. You set the hub up once, toss the little sensors wherever you think a pipe might burst, and you are done. It is the best bang for your buck for whole home coverage. But here is a real issue a lot of people face. Your Wi-Fi probably sucks in your basement or detached garage. Standard smart devices fail there. The solution is Yolink. They use this long-range technology called LoRa. It isn't normal Wi-Fi, so it can punch through concrete walls and reach way further than your router ever could. If you have a sump pump in a deep basement, this is the only one I would trust. Finally, if you are on a tight budget but still want to sleep at night, check out Govee. It has a loud local alarm and sends app alerts via a gateway. It is simple, effective, and cheap. Do not wait until your ceiling is dripping or your floorboards are warping. A $50 sensor is a lot cheaper than a $5,000 renovation. I have linked all these no-subscription lifesavers right on my profile, so you can grab the one that fits your setup.